10 delicious breakfast recipes every woman should learn. The first dish can be prepared in just 5 minutes after waking up. A nutritious breakfast that can be prepared in minutes. Banana pancakes are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, bursting with flavor in every bite. They're simple, nutritious, and delicious. Kids love them. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Mix 100 milliliters of milk with 50 grams of flour until smooth. Slice the bananas and set aside. Lightly oil a pan, add the banana slices, and pour in the egg mixture. Cover and simmer over low heat until the bottom is set, then flip and cook until done. A nutritious and delicious breakfast is ready. For the second step, do not turn on the heat. Instead, pour in the egg mixture. Dip the bread slices evenly in the egg mixture and sprinkle with black and white sesame seeds. Cook over low heat until the egg mixture is set, then quickly flip it over. Fold up both sides of a lettuce, ham slice, and tomato sauce. The sandwich is ready. Get up 5 minutes earlier and you have both vegetables and meat. One bite contains 5 kinds of nutrients. The third dish is something no one would expect. A spoonful of flour is added to chives. This is the best way I've ever cooked chives. It can be eaten for breakfast or as a side dish. The key method is also particularly simple. After washing the chives thoroughly, drain them and then chop them into small pieces. Add a spoonful of flour and stir well with chopsticks. Some people prefer to watch videos quietly, but they'll still give a red heart as encouragement and support. Such a person is healthy, free from misfortune, loves money, and is destined for happiness. Whoever picks up bye-bye will be blessed with good fortune. After mixing well, add 3 eggs. Then add a little salt and 5 spice powder and stir again with chopsticks. Stir until it reaches this consistency. Preheat a frying pan, brush it with oil, pour the chive batter into the pan, and use a spatula to shape it into a pancake. Pan fry over medium heat until golden brown and cook through on both sides. This method makes chive and egg pancakes that are not oily or greasy, are nutritious, and loved by both adults and children. The fourth dish is this thin and soft egg pancake. This is the most popular dish on my family's dining table, and the recipe is really simple. Pour 1 spoonful of all-purpose flour and 4 spoonfuls of water into an empty bowl. The ratio of flour to water is 1 to 4. After stirring until smooth, add 3 eggs, a little chopped green onion, salt, and 5 spice powder. Stir it thoroughly with chopsticks. Prepare a cucumber slice. Dear brothers, sisters, uncles, and aunts, if you happen to come across this video, please give it a thumbs up to support me. I also have 3 younger sisters who are in college. It's really too difficult, please just order one. Thank you for your hard work. Brush oil on the electric griddle and pour in the batter. Shake to flatten and cook over low to medium heat throughout. Cook until one side is set before flipping, as the pancake is quite thin. So just flip it over and the pancake is cooked through. It's thin and soft, making it a great breakfast option. Who would have thought of putting an egg yolk in the potato for the 5th dish? Breakfast for the whole family can be prepared in 3 minutes. The key is that the kids love it. First, cut the potatoes into 1 meter wide thin strips. Wash away excess starch. After draining the water, put it in a bowl. Next, separate the yolks and whites from 3 naturally laid eggs and set aside. Another bowl of scallion and ham stir-fried with 3 egg whites. Add salt, half a spoonful of chicken bouillon, and 13 spice powder to the seasoning. Stir well with chopsticks, then add 2 large spoonfuls of flour. Continue stirring until it becomes a batter. I teach cooking with dedication every day, so please follow me. Convenient to find when you want to eat something but don't know how to cook it. Heat oil, add a piece of shredded potato, spread it out into a bird's nest shape, and pour in the separated egg yolks. Simmer over medium-low heat throughout. Fry until golden brown on both sides, then remove from the pan. This method makes breakfast pancakes that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside simple and nutritious. If you like it, save it and try making the 6th recipe. You can enjoy these crispy on the outside and soft on the inside brown sugar shortbreads in just 1 minute. No need to proof or let the dough rest. Sweet and crispy, so delicious. Add 180 grams of boiling water to 300 grams of flour. Stir until it forms clumps, then add a spoonful of cooking oil and knead the dough until it becomes a smooth ball. Roll it directly into a rectangular flatbread. Mix 2 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil to make a paste. Spread the oil paste evenly, roll it up from one side, and cut it into equal portions. Add a little flour to the brown sugar. Mix well to make the sugar filling. Roll out the dough and place the sugar filling on top. Wrap it up using your own method. Roll it out into an oval shape, brush it with water, sprinkle with white sesame seeds for added aroma, and press it down firmly with a rolling pin. Preheat a frying pan, brush with oil, and place the pancakes on it. Pan fry over medium heat until golden brown and crispy on both sides. The brown sugar shortbread is now complete with a golden and crispy crust. The brown sugar inside is sweet and delicious, especially the 7th dish for families with children. Zucchini prepared this way is delicious and easy. Cut fresh zucchini into thick slices and scoop out the pulp with a spoon. Boil water in a pot and add salt. Blanch the zucchini in boiling water for 50 seconds with cooking oil, then remove and drain. Chop the removed zucchini pulp and place it in an empty bowl with diced carrots. Add salt, 5 spice powder, and a little starch to an egg and mix well. Dear family, if you happen to see this video, please give it a like to show your support. I also have 3 younger sisters who are in college. It's really difficult, please just click one. Thank you for your hard work. Preheat the electric griddle by brushing it with oil and then add zucchini rings. Then pour in the batter and fry over low heat. Fry until golden brown on one side, then flip and fry until golden brown and crispy on the other side. Wow, it smells so good. I love it, you should make it too. The 8th dish is a bowl of rice with 2 eggs, a spoonful of chopped green onions, and diced carrots. Stir in a spoonful of dried shrimp. Brush with oil, pour into a pan, spread evenly, and pan fry over low heat. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Make these vegetable pancakes for breakfast. Kids absolutely love them. The 9th dish, who would have thought to put tofu into a meat grinder and add a few eggs? This recipe is absolutely delicious. I just discovered how delicious tofu can be prepared this way. And it's very simple. After watching this, you'll also be able to make it. Put chopped tofu into a meat grinder and add 4 eggs. Add 100 grams of cornmeal and 88 grains of salt. Stir the 5 spice powder for 2 minutes. Place in a large bowl and add diced ham and chopped scallions. Mix the diced carrots well. Everyone says adding a red heart is a favor. Not adding one is simply your duty. If you've stumbled upon this video, please give it a like so I can owe you a huge favor. Thank you so much for brushing oil on the frying pan and pouring in the batter. Sprinkle with black and white sesame seeds. Turn it over after the bottom is shaped. Once both sides are golden brown, they're ready to be taken out of the pan. This way of cooking tofu makes it soft, flavorful, and includes vegetables, meat, and eggs. Delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. Save this and you should try it too. I'm already so hungry. What should I eat? My homepage has more different food tutorials. Recipe number 10. Every time I make these small pies that don't require kneading dough. My 5 sons have all started eating faster. Now they eat into bites a day. First, shred the zucchini and then add some shredded carrots. Add a little salt to draw out the moisture, then squeeze out the excess water and add the scrambled eggs. Chopped wood ear mushrooms, chopped scallions, seasoning, a pinch of chicken bouillon powder and 13 spice powder, and a little light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. A spoonful of cooking oil and a red heart are just a small effort for you. But for me, it was the greatest support. Yesterday was absolutely terrible. Please order just one today. Thank you for your hard work. The filling is now ready. Prepare 50 cents worth of dumpling wrappers and roll them out thinly. Then, just wrap it up like a dumpling so the filling doesn't leak out. Pan fry in an oiled skillet over low heat until golden brown on both sides. It's so simple, you'll definitely learn it.